Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, chapter 4, CQ 1-2, and our lecture number 28. Okay, dear students, let's start our class. Our today's chapter is chapter 4, morphology of plants. Okay, now CQ1 we will discuss CQ1. See the picture carefully. There is a tree or plant, and this part is indicated by A and this part indicated by B. Okay, question number A: what are the parts of a flowering plant? What are the parts of a flowering plant? Number B: what is shoot? Number C: what are the differences between A and B? Number D: discuss the importance of A and B. Okay, the answer will be what are the flowering parts of a flowering plant? We know the stem, branch, leaf, flower, fruit and root are the parts of a flowering plant. Okay, dear students, the stem, branch, leaf, flower, fruit and root are the parts of a flowering plants. Okay, now question number B: what is shoot? Dear students, from the chapter we know the part of a plant that is above the soil is called shoot. The part of a plant that is above the soil is called shoot. Shoot consists of stem, nodes, internodes, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now question number C: what are the differences between A and B? The differences between A and B. Dear students, now we have to know what is A and what is B. What A indicated by stem, okay, and B indicated by root. Okay, so we have to discuss now the differences between stem and roots. Okay, the differences between A and B is given below. Number A is stem. A indicated means is indicated by stem. Okay, number 1, it contains branches, flower, fruits and leaf. That means stem contains branches, flower, fruit and leaf. Number 2, it grows towards the light and away from the soil. Number 3, it has nodes, internodes and buds. And number 4, it contains green parts. Dear students, I am repeating the stems. Number 1, stem contains branches, flower, fruit and leaf. Number 2, it grows towards from the light and away from the soil. Number 3, it has nodes, internodes and buds. Number 4, it contains green parts. Okay, now come to part B, that means root. Number 1, root contains branches but no flowers or fruits. Root contains branches but no flowers or fruits. Number 2, it grows away from the light and towards the soil. Number 2, it grows away from the light and towards the soil. And number 3, nodes, internodes and buds are absent. In number 4, it never contains a green part. Dear students, I am repeating. Part B is root. It contains branches but no flowers or fruits. Number 2, it grows away from the light and towards the soil. Number 3, nodes, internodes and buds are absent. And number 4, it never contains a green part. Dear students, now come to question number D. Discuss the importance of A and B. That means we have to discuss the importance of stem and root. Okay, at first, in the figure, A is a stem and B is a root. The importance of A and B are given below. Importance of stem. At first, we will discuss importance of stem. It bears, that means stem bears the weight of leaves, flowers, fruits and branches. Stems bears weight of leaves, flowers, fruits and branches. And number 2, stem bears holds branches and stem holds branches and leaves upwards so that they get maximum sunlight. Holds branches and leaves upwards so that they get maximum sunlight. Number 3, carrier water, food, materials and gases throughout the whole body and provide fruits and flowers. Dear students, I am repeating, the importance of stem is it bears the weight of leaves, flowers, fruits and branches. Number 2, holds branches and leaves upwards so that they can get maximum sunlight. Number 3, carries water, food materials and gases throughout the whole body and provide fruits and flowers. Now, importance of roots, that means B. Okay, it anchors the plants to the ground, protection it from strong winds and waves, and helps in absorption of water and minerals. And number 2, provides us food like radish, carrots, sweet potato, etc. Dear students, I am repeating, the importance of root is it anchors the plants to the ground, protecting it from strong winds and waves, and helps in absorption of water and minerals. And number 2, provides us food like radish, carrot, sweet potato, etc. Okay, dear students, we have finished CQ1. Now we will discuss about CQ2. Okay, the stem. What is the stem? Read the stem properly. Prapti and Promi went to their village in the vacation. One day they walked round the village. While walking, they observed different types of stems. Of them were cone and temple shaped. So they were interested in the shape and functions those stems. Now come to question. Question number A, what is root? Now question number B, describe the type of mango leaf. Describe the type of mango leaf. And number C number question, describe the functions of the stem that Prapti and Promi saw. And question number D, how will you make difference of arrangement of the branch and branchlet that Prapti and Promi has observed? Explain. Okay, dear students, now come to answer. What is, at first, question number A, what is root? Root, what is root? The part of the plant that is non-green and devoid of leaves, flowers, fruits, nodes and internodes is termed as a root. Dear students, I am repeating, the part of the plant that is non-green and devoid of leaves, flowers, fruits, nodes and internodes is termed as a root. Now come to question number B, describe the type of mango leaf. We have to describe about mango leaf. Okay, number B, B number question answer, the leaf of a mango plant is simple. Okay, the leaf of a mango plant is simple as its lamina is not divided into leaflets and it contains a midrib and its edge is totally unbroken. Dear students, the mango leaf, describe the type of mango leaf. The leaf of a mango leaf is simple as its lamina is not divided into leaflets and it contains a midrib and its edge is totally unbroken. Now come to question number C, describe the functions of the stem that Prapti and Promi saw. The functions of the stem that Prapti and Promi saw. Number C, Prapti and Promi observed plants with excurrent and delicescent stems. From the above stem, we know Prapti and Promi observed plants with excurrent and delicescent stems. Their functions are given below. That means we have to discuss now the functions of excurrent and delicescent stems. Okay, function of excurrent stems. Okay. It looks, number 1, it looks like a temple or cone with its branches and leaves. The function of excurrent stems, it looks like a temple or cone with its branches and leaves. Number 2, it develops its branches longer at the bottom and gradually shorter at the top. For example, willow, oak, tulip, poplar and sweet gum trees. Now we will discuss about the function of deliquescent stem. Okay, functions of a deliquescent stem. Number 1, it looks like a dome or spherical with its branches and leaves. Number 2, develops its branches in such a way that the central ones are the longer and peripheral ones are shorter. For example, mango, jackfruit, blackberry trees. Okay, dear students, I am repeating functions of a deliquescent stem. It looks like a dome or spherical with its branches and leaves. Number 2, develops its branches in such a way that the central ones are the longer and peripheral ones are shorter. For example, mango, jackfruit, blackberry trees. Okay. Now come to question number D. How will you make difference of arrangement of the branch and branchlet that Prapti and Promi has observed? Explain. Okay, number D answer. Prapti and Promi was observing excurrent and deliquescent shaped stems. They can be divided by the difference of arrangement of the branches as below. Number 1, branches and twine of deliquescent stem increase sidewise, giving the plant a dome shape, while those of excurrent stems increase in such a way that it gives the plant a temple shape. And number 2, the main stem of the deliquescent stem is too long, while that of excurrent stem is not that long. And number 3, main branches of a deliquescent stem increase equally in all directions, while those of excurrent one are bigger in the lower and shorter at the upper side. Okay, dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic properly. We will give you assignment. According to government's decision, from class 6 to 10 from class 6 to 10 short syllabus has been given. Okay, so follow the government's rules and follow our live and YouTube class properly. And you have to submit the assignment properly, and you have to submit the assignment. You have to write of your own and inform your all friends, because you will get your merit position, the performance of your assignment marks. Okay, dear students, so practice at home properly. Allah Hafiz.